Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. This video is going to be a bit different from my other model building videos because it has to do with a model kit that I myself make and sell. This is my first ever scale 1/35 model kit of a pegboard. It consists of 20 laser cut plywood tiles that have approximate dimensions of 28.5 mm by 14.2 mm and thickness of 3 mm. 4 of the tiles are intended to be used as a base and therefore have no holes in them. It is recommended to align the tiles with the correct side facing forward. The correct forward facing side should have uniform larger holes, while the back facing side should have smaller holes and possibly minor burn marks from the cutting process. You can purchase this kit by clicking on the link in the description. One benefit of having my own equipment is that I can make custom pieces upon request, so if you need something a bit different, or even very different, I may still be able to craft it for you. Please do not hesitate to contact me via the link in the description. Back to the model now. The first step is cutting the pieces out of premium laser grade plywood. After the cutting process, the pieces are cleaned and packaged. Assembling the model requires glue, which is not included in the kit. In this video I'm using wood glue. I'm also using a ruler to align the pieces. Now that the glue has done its job, the model is complete. It is of course possible to paint it, but I like the raw wood look. I'm going to use some standard staples to add hooks to my pegboard. This is entirely optional, so the staples and stapler are also not included in the kit. It is possible to glue the hooks to the board, but I want to be able to move them around, so I'm not doing that. Now that the hooks are in place, I'm going to add some pre-assembled and painted scale 1/35 weapons to my pegboard. The weapons are also not part of the kit. Finally, I'm going to align the depth of the hooks and cut the excess material by using a precision cutter and wearing protective goggles to shield my eyes from the fast-flying pieces of metal. And there it is, my scale 1/35 pegboard. So this was all for today. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Please consider giving it a thumbs up if you did, and if you like this type of content, please support me on Patreon. I post early and exclusive content there. Subscribe to the channel so that you may be informed when a new video becomes available. As always, thank you for watching.